Welcome to Asympcode. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn how you can work with Bitcoin in Python. For this example, let's assume you want to create a basic script that interacts with Bitcoin, particularly fetching the current Bitcoin price using a public API. Import the required modules. To make HTTP requests to the API. To handle JSON data returned from the API. Define the URL for the API endpoint. This API provides the current price of Bitcoin in JSON format. Make a GET request to the API to get the current Bitcoin price. Requests.get sends an HTTP GET request to the specified URL. Check if the request was successful. Status code 200 means OK. Pass the JSON data returned by the API. The JSON method converts the JSON response into a Python dictionary. Extract the current Bitcoin price in USD from the data. Navigate through the dictionary to get the price. The current Bitcoin price. Output the price of Bitcoin in USD. If the request failed, print an error message. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asympcode and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.